Well, the new pass rates have started 1st of April, and I've had 4 driving tests since then, and I've had 3 fails and 1 pass. I had Johnson fail. He had 1 serious fall for getting too close to parked cars. I had Shabanka fail for he got a dangerous fault. He was sitting at the traffic lights and he went to move off, but instead of putting it in first gear, he put it in reverse and tried to shoot back. But the examiner was like Billy the Kid, quick as a flash. He just clutched down and stopped him from nearly rear-ending a car, reversing back into a car. Then I had Lauren pass. He passed first time with a few faults. Shabanka only had 2 faults on his test. Then I had Cameron in. Dear me, he has 2 faults, 2 driver faults. Then he's come back to the test centre, holds back the meeting situation, but gets far too close to the car in front. The examiner had to grab the wheel and give him a dangerous fault for it. Today we've got, so at the moment my pass rate is 25%. I've got Raj in, very good driver. He's had a lot of experience. He's really skillful, can be a bit fast, could be smoother, but really good standard, should smash the driving test easy and take my pass rate to 40%. So I've had 4 tests, 2 failed with dangerous. That's a trigger point on the standard check. My standard check will be in the post, and 1 serious. So hopefully Raj can pass the day and take my pass rate to an amazing 40%. Hopefully you'll let me video this and we'll get a first time pass out of this guy. But very, very poor at the moment. Dear me, oh. Raj has had 2 mock driving tests, failed the first one. I think he pulled out in front of a roundabout and slowed the car down. He only had 3 minor faults on his sheet. And pulling off safely, I think he slowed the car down. And his second mock test he had the day before his test today. And he passed with only 2 driver faults. So hopefully we'll get a first time pass out of him.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
It'll be good if you pass that test.
Oh, me too as well.
Can I see the driver's license?
Yes.
I'm alright to video this, yeah?
Yeah, you do.
Can we tell them what you do?
Yes.
Very smart guy, this one.
I'm an automation engineer at Amazon and recently moved here 6 months ago.
Yes. Tell them how many years experience you've got driving?
I got around 7 to 8 years of experience.
In America?
In US, yeah, around 5-6 years, and one year in Europe as well.
That counts for nothing in America. They're like the Wild West over there, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Much wider roads and smooth to drive.
Right, get yourself ready then. Right, now when you get in the car with the examiner, put your license in there.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Right, he'll say, do you want your trainer to come with you? Say no.
Okay.
He'll say, do you want him there at the end? Say yes.
Okay.
Okay? Right, when you're ready. Go on, off you go. You're joking, aren't you?
Yeah, I think I'm time.
Well, have a look in your mirror, look. Where's he at? There was loads of time there, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Dear me.
I'm getting nervous.
Yeah. You could have walked, I could have got up there on your hands. Take the second road to the right, that's the first one. Then reverses into a B, anyone you want.
Okay.
All round observations. lovely, that one. Have a look over your left shoulder. Straight. Further back. Yeah, that's excellent. That'll do for me. Good stuff. Yeah. Right. Have any questions before we go and meet the examiner?
No, I'm good. I just need to check that brake so it shouldn't feel spongy or slack.
In the car, shouldn't pull at one side.
One side,
Yeah.
okay.
Right, prediction. Go on, what do you think? Are you going to pass or fail?
I'm confident.
So are you going for a first time pass?
Yeah.
Tell me how many driver faults? How many minors?
Minor, I'm hoping none, but I think it would be around 2 or 3.
Well, he's had 2 serious faults today. Can you tell me what they were?
One that I slowed down another car on roundabout other day.
No, this morning.
Oh, this morning.
This morning, yes.
The one that I slowed down the car.
The meeting situation.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have held back. And the other one?
Second one.
You could probably blame me for this one. You were doing 37 in a 30.
Okay, yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
But we were talking at the time there.
Yeah.
And he's had a few minor faults. Turning left, he's a bit wide. What else was there? Doing 34 in a 30. The bus was some undue hesitation. Could have went round the bus.
Yeah.
Signal right when you're going straight ahead of the roundabout. What else is there? Just a bit hesitation, yeah. And your blind spot. Forgetting your blind spots. But how many minors you going for? How many minor faults? Two or 3?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to go for 1.
Okay.
So let's see who's the closest, yeah.
All right.
But you've got to drive to your
confidence
best,
on me.
yeah. Well, he's got to concentrate because that's the worst he's driven the day, isn't it? Yeah.
Hoping for the best.
Oh, you
I
know,
get nervous. I mean, if I'm relaxed, I can drive smoothly, and you know. But let's say when I start talking, or you know, if I get a bit of pressure, I mean, I get extra cautious, and
it's quite
make mistakes.
nerve-wracking when they sit next to you and they're watching everything you do. Yeah.
Yeah.
You might be driving along, and they'd be looking out the window like this, but he's watching you like a hawk. Yeah.
Okay.
So he just watches you out the corner of his eye. My pupils say, "Oh, he was looking out the window all the time," but that's just on a straight road.
Yeah.
When he asks you when he gives directions, then he starts to see what you're doing. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, come on, young man, let's go. Well, we're back off test with this guy. Tell them what you've done.
Oh, I mean, just walk through the steps.
Just tell them how many you've passed.
I passed the exams with 2 minor faults.
Tell them what they were for.
The one that for I think car gets stalled.
Stole the car?
It's at one of the roundabouts, and the second one is I hit the curb during the parking, I guess.
I don't think he's ever done any of them on your list.
No, I never did those. So I'm surprised. I don't know. I could have a 0 faults, you know.
Yeah, you could have. What was the driving exam like?
It was pretty good. I mean, pretty friendly as well.
Yeah.
We had a few chat about a few things, and it makes you comfortable as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice exam, isn't he?
Nice, really
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
No, well done, sir.
Yeah. Wow.
It's a good feeling, isn't it?
It is. Finally.
Well, my pass rate's gone up from 25% to 40%.
Oh wow.
Thank you. That's sure.
I was a bit of nervous, but I mean, he made me comfortable.
Did he?
Yeah.
Well, he's a nice bloke, him, isn't he?
Yeah.